Oh my God, it's so cold here. Definitely no hot girl summer situation. Hey guys, it's Tina from Hangry by Nature. Yes, we are traveling again, and the awesome team at July have gifted us these bad boys, which I'm gonna unbox, and I'm gonna show you some key features of smart travel luggage. Without further ado, let's get right into unboxing. Oh, and subscribe if you are new here for more travel fun. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the big one first. Ooh, did you see this? Hangry Bam. Actually, you know what? The one thing I like to feel the most is like how smooth the handle is. Oh, that feels good. It stops at any height. You can have it here, 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 here. What else have we got outside? Got some bumpers. That's handy. That's really handy. And we have locks. Are you ready for it? Ta-da! Oh, I love it. It's so sleek inside. Wow, what is this extra bag? Oh, it's like a separator, maybe? So you can, I guess you can like use it to separate some of your stuff. And then obviously you can also maybe put like underwear and things in here, maybe? I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this, actually. Oh, what's this? It comes with a laundry bag? No way. I think that's a laundry bag. I mean, I guess you could really use it for anything that you want, but that is really cool. I love this. Every suitcase should have this. Okay, I think that's all of it. In case I haven't mentioned, this is a CZECH Plus luggage, the largest of July's range. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next one. Not gonna lie, this one's got a bit of weight to it, but I think it is chock full of features. Let's open her up. Ugh. Okay, all right, I got it. This one's tight. Anytime now. I'm getting there. Thank you for your patience, guys. Are you ready for the big reveal? This is the CarryOn Pro, and this is what smart luggage is all about. Let me show you, let me give you a little tour. So right in front here, we have a laptop sleeve that attaches to the front of the suitcase, and obviously you can put a laptop in here, and it's meant to snap off as well. Let's just give it. Oh, it literally just slides off like poo. Okay, well that's super easy. So yeah, here you go. You've got yourself a laptop sleeve. There, oh, it's back on, see? Now, there's one really cool feature also. At the back here, it's not the Hangry is super cool too, but this suitcase actually comes with a little portable charger which you can access here. Look at that, it just pops out. And just use it as an external charger. Man, this is really sleek. And of course, this handle stops anywhere you want it to as well, and it's super smooth. ASMR, guys. Oh yeah. Let me show you the inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh, it's got 2 compartments as well. Kind of like the big one here, which is handy too. You can divide it into 2 separate things. It also has this like divider. I still don't know what this is for. I'm gonna find out what the exact purpose of this is, but we've got a divider in here as well. And we also have another compartment in here, which I'm guessing is another little, also a little zip bag where you can put your shoes or laundry or whatever you want, really. I love this. I love that they all come with these. We have a dividing mesh compartment, and well, you can just put more stuff on this side. And that's pretty much it. One more thing we got were packing cubes from July, which I will quickly show you guys as well. They match the color of this suitcase. We have a whole range of different sizes in here. This is a long one, long shape, long size, rectangular one. Medium size, or maybe this is the largest one. Oh no, these two are the same size. Ah, there we go. And then you have the small one here. It's literally impossible to have too many packing cubes. I find myself buying more and more all the time. So now we are gonna start packing, and then we're gonna get traveling and put these to the test at the airport and while traveling. Whew, we are finally all packed and ready to fly off on our first international trip in so long. Let's go to the airport. Oh, thank God for this. Oh my God, it's so cold here. Definitely no hot girl summer situation. Oh, finally here. Thank God. Oh, warmth. Oh, it's so nice and toasty warm in here, finally, in the warmth. Well guys, we made it. A massive trip, 24 hours of testing out this luggage, and now I'm gonna let you guys know how everything went. All right, first up, the CZECH Plus. Now this one has been through a bit of beating over the 24 hours, and as you can see, these corner protectors, they did their job. Check out these scuff marks. This one has been through a little bit, you know? And otherwise, everything looks really great on it, I gotta say. Oh, and if you guys can remember the divided partition that's in here with the zip, I ended up using that to separate my cubes clothes with other things like toiletries, and it created an extra layer in here, which was super handy. I don't really know what the actual purpose of it is, but you know, I think that's just up to you guys. I mean, what would you guys use it for? You tell me, but I just used it as a divider. This laundry bag, I love how it comes with the July suitcases. We didn't actually end up using it as a laundry bag. We ended up using it as a shoe storage, because we had to carry some heavy shoes over here for the winter, and it fit all our Timmies in there. Well, mine and Andy's Timmies, as you can see. In here, we have two huge pairs of Timmies that fit into the bag perfectly, and it keeps the rest of the suitcase clean, and the material is just so nice and waterproof as well. So super, super handy. All right guys, the CarryOn Pro was hands down one of the best carry-on suitcases we've ever had. Starting off with the laptop sleeve on the outside, made security checks so smooth and easy. All you gotta do is just unzip, take out the laptop, whack it onto the tray, and it goes through, and then you slide it straight back in without having to open the suitcase at all. I can't explain like what a relief it was not to have to go through that process. So I love this thing. This is so handy. Whoever thought of this, genius. And as you guys saw earlier, the power bank that comes with this suitcase that you can slide into the back here came in super handy. You can charge it on the plane, you can charge it when you're waiting at the gate. It's just a really, really nice addition to have. Overall, the CarryOn Pro held up really well throughout our entire journey, and it was just a joy to have. And that's our review and experience of our first time using July suitcases. Huge thanks to July for gifting us these suitcases for our first international trip in what feels like forever. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome travel content, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!